Hi guys, today we are going to review the most important software which is launched in the end of the 2013 and which is making lot of words these days is the Neuro Back It Up 2014 edition. This 2014 edition is basically a free version. It is basically a free to download from the Neuro website. And this I've just opened the copy of Neuro Back It Up 2014. As you can see, I have downloaded in my computer and then installed it, and here it is how it looks like. So you can see there are two options. One is the PC backup option and one is the mobile backup option. Now what Neuro has intelligently done in this version of Back It Up 2014 is that it has added the cloud support. Now you can backup entire PC and save it to the cloud account. Not any cloud account, Neuro has a specific cloud account for that. Or you can backup your entire mobile phone and upload it to your cloud account. Again, the cloud account has 5 GB free, and if you want to extend, you can definitely buy it more, like 10 GB, 20 GB. Different plans are available. So let's see what is available in this. This is the home option. All it is in the home. Back it up now, mobile backup. If you go to mobile backup, it will bring another window. So in mobile you need to install a Back It Up Android. This is basically an application which is available in the Google Play Store. You can download this, and after installing it you have to scan the QR image, and then you can back up entire mobile, and this copy will be saved in the C drive. I think you can definitely change this backup destination anytime. Okay, so let's go to home. In log on, it's telling me to log on. So please log on to or sign up to benefit from the Neuro Back It Up subscription plans. Now, I have not taken any subscription plans. It says just sign up now and get 5 GB free online storage. Let me log on with my ID and password. So guys, I have just logged on into my account, and you can see this is my account which I have created under the Neuro. This is basically a cloud account which is having a 5 GB free backup space where we can backup my mobile or my computer. So let's see how to backup using this on my computer. So I will be pressing backup now. Click start. This is my computer. You can see C drive, D drive, E drive, all the files and folders. Okay, whichever you want to backup. Suppose I want to backup my documents. I will select the documents. It is having 52 files, 28 folders, 105.7 MB. I will select something smaller. Okay, contacts. Then we'll go to the next. The maximum protection. It says local hard drive is low protection, medium protection, while maximum protection is the online storage. Path is the online storage, Neuro Back It Up admin PC. Next, file backup. Manually I have selected. You can select monthly, weekly, daily, or continuously. Again, if you select continuously, then you have to continuously backup this folder. But it is done manually only, because if you want to back it up automatically, then you have to subscribe for the different plans which are available under the Neuro. So this is manually, and back it up now. This backup job needs to be manually. As you can see, if I select monthly, get automatic backup at very affordable price. So this facility or this feature is not free, it is a paid feature. Okay, so you want a free feature, you can backup manually and backup now. So now it is backing up, preparing 0%. I think I have selected a very smaller file, so the job will be done in a matter of seconds, hopefully. So guys, I have just backed up. So this is the last backup today at 12:55 PM. Okay, so source of backup is the C drive users admin contacts target. This is the target on the cloud, Neuro backup folder, admin PC, and manually I have backed up. File backup job, restore and mobile backup. So let's see what are the tools available. These are the syncing tools that manually you can now, if this folder is selected and you sync this, then if you add any new things under this folder, it will be automatically synced to your cloud folder, which is admin PC. So options, there are not many options to the proxy settings. If you have your own server, you can definitely add the proxy settings here. Another tools, the upgrade option, manage upgrade option. Let's see what the upgrade option is all about. Guys, you can see now I am under the 5 GB free account. This is the free account which any users can get, the 5 GB free account. There are different upgrade options available. 5 GB is the $0, obviously the free plan. Second is the next 5 GB, it will be the 10 GB. It is $19 per year, $19.99 per year. 25 Pro is $34.99. Unlimited is, the features are manual backup. Here it is automatic backups. It supports PC to internal drives, external drives, whereas it selects internal drives, external drives, NAS drives and optical CDs, DVDs, all everything. And includes free mobile access, is available in all types of plans. So main advantage of going for an upgrade with automatic backup. This is the main feature, you can say, which is not available in the free plan. So if you want a carefree life of your PC as well as mobile, you definitely go for an upgrade. You can try it out, a 5 GB upgrade definitely. At least your computer and mobile will be secured with automatic backups, and you don't need to do it manually, as you have many other things to do. Okay guys, coming back to the software of Neuro Backup 2014, let's see the final things what it has to offer. The file backup jobs, restore jobs and mobile backups. These are all file backup jobs, and restore can be done only after you have done the backup at least once. Let's see what it has inside it. File backup jobs. This was the file backup we just run, last run today 12:55 PM. Now you can restore it or run again. If you run again, it will update all the latest folders and files which are newly added inside the particular folder that you have selected. Okay, or if you want to create a new backup, you can definitely start creating from here. Now I don't want to create a new backup. Let's go to the restore tab. Restore is C. I have selected C drive. I will go to next. Restore to original path, restore to new path. I want to restore to original path. Always replace the existing file or rename the file. Do not replace files or ask me what to do. I have replaced the files. Restore now. Continue restoring. Now Neuro is now restoring my files and folders. Let's see how it does. Guys, the file restore job was successful, as you can see. Click the more details. Status successful. 7 files were restored successfully to the original path. Backup size was the smaller one which we selected especially for trying out. So that's it guys. Again, to wind up things, this is Neuro Backup version 15 and licensed to Neuro AG and its licensor Germany. Thank you so much guys, and you can definitely check on the neuro.com if you want to download or buy the new plans from the Neuro. Thanks for being with me guys. See you soon.